about your relationship with your friend, your family? Are they angry about you join Islam?
Why they have to be angry about what I believe?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
my
Why?
parents angry.
They are Indonesian actually.
Really?
But
Yeah,
different.
I'm Indonesian. My mom is Catholic. My dad is Catholic. So when I chose Islam, they are angry.
Oh, how did you act?
Try to persuade them for 2 years. Maybe nggak semua orang tahu di sini bagaimana perjuanganku. Mungkin orang cuma bisa yang hujat, ngatain kayak gitu. Kenapa? Tapi bagaimana aku 2 tahun nutupin bahwa aku sudah Islam kayak gitu kan. Karena aku harus membujuk mereka secara pelan-pelan. Tapi they don't angry with you.
No. Some things they don't understand. For example, why? Because during the Ramadan, I went home. And they're like, why are you not eating? You can eat. I say, I'm thirsty, but until Maghrib, I have 1 hour. Oh, I'm thirsty. Let's say I say it like that, Mama. Just drink. Like this, we are doing for faith, right? But they don't have a faith yet. So they don't understand. But me becoming Muslim, it's not a problem. Because, I am very flexible person, and my parents raised me like this because they are also flexible person. They're like, okay, you know what? We believe different, but if you are good to other people, we are okay. If you are not doing something illegal, if you are not hurting other people, we are okay. We have different thinking, but the most important thing is you becoming a good person.
Yeah.
So as long as I am a good person and nice to other people, my parents are okay.